The following video is part of a playlist which illustrates different tips and tricks for assembling mobile phone spare parts. This video shows how to test the functionality of a new camera, of a proximity sensor flex and a home button without obstructing these parts firmly in the device. If you want to see more tips and tricks, then check out the other two videos from our playlist. Testing spare parts without obstructing them firmly in the device Part 2, LCD screens. These 9 tips will avoid you from damages while assembling spare parts. At the beginning of each repair, you should test the functionalities of the new spare part. Otherwise, you do not succeed and have to start again. This is not only annoying, but also costs time and money. Time, because you have to start again with the repair and change the spare part again, and money, because spare parts can usually only be claimed if they have been tested before assembling. Otherwise, it is not possible to prove whether the defect existed prior to assembling. That's why we now show you how you can test different spare parts without obstructing them firmly in the device. Test 1. iPhone 7 Plus, testing the main camera for functionality. Situation: the iPhone 7 Plus was already disassembled for replacing the LCD screen and assembling a new camera module. To do this, first remove a screw slot from the camera covering and remove the covering with the help of the tweezer. Release the 2 connectors of the old camera module with the help of the plectrum tool. Then you can lever out the camera module carefully with the spudger and remove it. Link the connectors of the new camera module with the mainboard and insert the module. Depending on how you've disassembled the device, you have to link the LCD flex cable and the battery connector now to switch on the LCD screen. Select the camera app in the menu and test it extensively for functionality, focusing, zooming, taking pictures and making videos. Power off the LCD screen. Depending on the test result, either permanently install the new camera module or remove the module. Test 2. iPhone 7 Plus, testing the proximity sensor flex for functionality. Situation: the iPhone 7 Plus was already disassembled to replace the LCD screen and assemble a new front camera. We have just shown you how to test a new camera module for functionality. On the front camera module, you will find amongst other things the proximity sensor, which also can be tested. To do this, connect the flex module on the mainboard. Hint: since the front camera module is only temporarily connected for testing, the camera and parts of the flex cable extend beyond the edge of the middle cover. Connect the LCD flex cable on the middle cover. Then lay down the LCD screen carefully on the middle cover and switch it on. Select the voice recorder from the menu and start a recording. Tip: the best way to test the proximity sensor is to point out the part of the flex cable the sensor is sitting on. Then you can test the sensor for functionality by coming closer with your flat hand. The screen should become black as soon as you come closer to the sensor with your hand while the recording is on. Hint: of course you can also connect the test of the proximity sensor with an extensive test of the LCD screen if it is a new LCD screen. Power off the LCD screen. Disconnect the front camera module. iPhone 8 testing home button for functionality. Situation: the iPhone 8 was already open to replace the LCD screen as well as the home button. After testing the new LCD screen for functionality, the new home button was already assembled, and now we have to test the functionality of the home button before obstructing the new LCD screen firmly. To do this, hold on the new LCD screen to the middle cover to connect the LCD flex cable. Do also connect the home button flex cable and the battery connector if the battery connector was released while disassembly. Then you can place the LCD screen loosely on the middle cover and power on the LCD screen. Test the home button and also the LCD screen for functionality. Power off the LCD screen. Now you can assemble the new LCD screen firmly and close the device. Do also watch the second part of this video, where we show you how to test different LCD screens for functionality without obstructing them firmly. Testing spare parts without obstructing them firmly in the device, Part 2, LCD screens.